question number 1. So it is find the circumference of the circle with the following radius. So you are given radius and you are asked to find the circumference. Okay. So radius is given to you in part A. It is 14 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the circumference? So circumference of circle. Tia, what is the formula?
2 pi r.
Present ma'am, Aditya Singh is present.
आदित्य अभी अटेंडेंस नहीं ले रहे हैं बेटा.
Okay ma'am.
2 pi r. Okay, very good. So now putting the value of r, it is equal to 2 into 3.14 into या 22/7 ले लो क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपके पास में 14 सेंटीमीटर है रेडियस है ना, तो डिनोमिनेटर वैसे ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा. So 22/7 into 14. How much it is coming? Okay. So it is 88 centimeter or meter centimeter. कर लिया सबने? Now the say B and C are the same type of question. You have to do yourself. Okay. So you will be doing. Now come to question number 2. Find the area of the following circles given that radius is equal to 14 centimeter, no, millimeter. Okay. So formula for area. Hetal. What is the formula for area of a circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Very good.
Pi square.
Okay, good. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. ठीक है, तो जब सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें आप वैल्यूज, तो पाई की वैल्यू 22/7 into 14 square. Okay, so whenever you are solving any question, try to solve it in an easier way, है ना. So don't multiply here 14 twice. 14 का स्क्वायर नहीं निकालना है. You can see in the denominator it is 7. So first of all we will cancel 114. Then you only have to multiply 14 into 2. Okay. Sometimes I have seen that you people are just wasting your time finding the square, then multiplying, then dividing. है ना? So don't solve like this. So it is equal to 22 into 14. Then it will be twice. Now you multiply and tell me the answer. So it is equal to 22 into 28. How much it is coming? Kaustubh, can you tell me the answer?
616.
Ishani, very good.
Yes, ma'am. 616.
616 millimeter square.
616. Okay. Dash, क्या बोल रहे थे बेटा?
616 millimeter square.
Okay, very good.
616 millimeter square.
Okay, very good. So it is equal to 616 millimeter square. Okay. So in the similar way, you will be solving the remaining two parts. In part B, diameter is given, so be careful about this, that you have to take the radius out of this, है ना? Okay. Now come to question number 3. You all have completed these two questions. Yes, now come to question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meters, so circumference is given to you. Let us write whatever is given to us first. ठीक है? So circumference is equal to 154 meters. Find its radius. ठीक है? तो आपको क्या निकालना है? Radius कितना है? So radius is equal to how much? Also find area of the sheet. So two things you have to find out, that is radius and the area. But for finding that, first we have to find the radius. ठीक है? Area निकालने के बाद radius चाहिए. So you are given circumference is equal to 154 centimeter. It means 2 pi r is equal to 154 centimeter. So r will be equal to 154 divided by 2 pi. Okay, now substitute the value of pi. So it is equal to, okay, 22 by 7. Now you can solve it. Can anybody tell me? So it is 11 ones are 11, then 14.
49.2 meter.
So 2 sevens are 14. So it is 49, isn't it?
Upon 2.
49.2.
Achha, 2 is also left. Yes, yes, yes. 49 upon 2 centimeters.
24.25.
Okay, we will leave it like this.
मैम मीटर लगेगा. मैम मीटर लगेगा.
मीटर है?
Yes, ma'am.
सेंटीमीटर में दिया था ना बुक में तो. Let me check. हाँ, मीटर है. Okay. I have taken circumference also in centimeter here. Okay. So now you are asked to find the area. Area will be equal to pi r square. That is pi into 49 by 2 whole square. Then pi means 22 by 7. So you can easily solve it now. 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. So 149 will be cancelled with this. Okay, then 211.
154 into 49 upon 4.
No, I am getting 77 into 49 by 2. हाँ, cancel it by 2 also. बेटा आपका denominator में आ रहा है ना? So it is actually 77 into 49 by 2. Now simplify it.
1886.5 meter square.
Sorry. So it is 1886.5. Is it? Okay.
1886.5.
Okay, very good. It's good. Iti, Ishani, Nitika, Ananya. Okay, very good. Correct answers. So it is equal to 1886.5 meter square. Okay. Those who have not calculated, calculate it fast. जल्दी से निकाल लें. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters Find the length of rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. ठीक है, तो अभी डायग्राम से ड्रॉ करके करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ऑल कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन. आई थिंक सम ऑफ यू आर राइटिंग. Hurry up, write fast. Okay, now let us see, try to understand each and every line of this question. Okay, so it is given that a gardener wants to fence a circular garden. Where is a circular garden like this with diameter 21 meter. Okay. Find the length of rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 round of fence. Now he want to fence this garden. Fencing means आपको निकालना होगा. फेंसिंग करने के लिए उसे क्या चाहिए? एक ऐसे कुछ बाउंड्री सी बनानी है उसे. Isn't it? But he wants to fence it twice, है ना? 2 बार उसका फेंसिंग करना चाहता है. मीन्स उसको ऐसे 2 बार चाहिए. So for fencing you need to find what? Arnav?
Circumference.
Okay, very good.
Circumference.
Circumference. ठीक है. So we need to,
Circumference.
so we need to find the circumference of this circle, and that is to be multiplied by 2 because he wants to fence this garden twice. If we were asked to find this rope once, then we could have calculated only once, but now we are asked to find the twice. So circumference will be equal to 2 pi r, and here r is 21 by 2. Okay, so it is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2. So it will be circumference is equal to 66 unit is meter. Is it correct? Sorry,
ma'am.
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Suresh? Okay, so you are getting
66 meter.
meter. Okay, now you have to find out the rope because he wants to fence it twice. So required rope will be 66 into 2. So you can write as he wants to make 2 rounds of fence. So rope required will be equal to 66 into 2. Okay, so that is equal to 132.
32 meter.
Okay, now what you have to find next?
Cost of rope.
Cost of rope, if it costs 4 per meter. Cost of rope at the rate of 4 per meter will be what? 32 into 4. Okay.
528.
Rupees 528.
Rupees
Okay,
528.
very good. Shabashiti. So it is 528 meters.
28.
Okay, Purvi, good. Shumaila, is it correct?
32 instead of rupees 528.
Yes,
मैं
rupees
attendance नहीं किया।
528. अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ये तो रुपीज है ना। ओके
अटेंडेंस ले ही गया।
ओके, शाबाश प्रकृति, आदित्य, माही। माही अभी कहाँ पाईडी पे पहुंच गए बेटा? दर्श करेक्ट, सुरुचि, हिमांशी। ओके, वेरी गुड ऑल ऑफ यू। यस, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। You all have written now? Because this is an important question, you have to be careful because it was written that he wants to fence it with 2 rounds, है ना? So be careful while multiplying it by 2, and then rate. You all know how to find out the rate of fencing. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now come to question number 5. So it is, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of remaining sheet. So you have a circular sheet like this. Okay. You have a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Now a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. तो आपने क्या करा, ऐसे बीच में से 3 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल जो है उसे आपने रिमूव कर दिया. तो लेट दिस इज इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर.
22.
हाउ यू विल फाइंड नाउ?
28.98 centimeter square.
So first of all, Darsh, okay, you will find the area of the, इसको सर्कल C1 बोल देते हैं, इसको C2 बोल देते हैं. ओके, सो एरिया ऑफ सर्कल C1 ये निकालना है आपको. फिर आपको निकालना है एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. जस्ट वेट. So it is equal to pi r square, and that is equal to pi into 4 square. Yes. Now tell me what it is coming, Bhagyaraj.
मैम आपने अटेंडेंस ले ली क्या?
नहीं बेटा, अभी ले लूंगी. मैं हमेशा बीच में लेती हूँ ना. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस क्वेश्चन आई विल.
22.
यस बेटा. कौस्तुभ.
Ma'am, 22. 22.
अच्छा अच्छा, आप आंसर बता रहे हो. ओके, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 22/7 into 4 into 4, है ना? ठीक है. तो इसमें तो कुछ कैंसल आउट हो ही नहीं रहा है आपका. हो रहा है क्या? एरिया ऑफ रिमेनिंग शीट नहीं बताना है, पहले मेरे को दोनों के एरियाज बताने हैं आपको, है ना? ओके, so I want to know the area of first circle, then area of second circle will be pi r square, that is pi into 3 square. Okay, so 16 into 3.14 ही कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कितना आ रहा है? So area of first circle, I can see only one answer of Ishani, that is 25.12. Is it correct? 25.12. Okay. And area of second circle is 18.84. Okay. 18.84 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of the remaining part, when you have removed a circle of radius 3 centimeter, will be what? Area of remaining part is equal to area of C1 minus area of C2. Okay, so that is equal to 25.12 minus 18.84. How much it is coming? Yes. What is the answer? Area of remaining sheet. बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है आप लोगों का 25 minus 18.
21.98 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर।
बट इन दोनों में से कुछ रॉन्ग था क्या?
9 बाई 7 बाई आएगा।
मैम डायरेक्ट आप पाई को भी तो रहने दे सकते थे, डायरेक्ट 9 पाई और 7 पाई आता।
यस कौस्तुभ,
मैम तो अपन पाई को भी तो रहने दे सकते थे ना।
अच्छा उधर
अगर
से कॉमन लेके हाँ ले सकते थे 16 पाई माइनस 9 पाई है ना, ऐसे करा
यस
होगा।
मैम तो 7 पाई आएगा तो फिर आप 22/7 पे कट करके कर सकते थे।
हाँ हाँ देखिए बेटा वो मैंने भी ध्यान नहीं दिया। हाँ वो भी सही है, उसमें कैलकुलेशन आपके लेंथी नहीं होंगे है ना, इजी हो जाएंगे। ठीक है
मैम
यू
वो
कैन
सही है तो एग्जाम के लिए।
यस बेटा।
मैम वो एग्जाम में लिखेंगे तो मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे क्या? कि ऐसे
No problem because area of first circle will be कहाँ गया 16 pi और area of second circle will be 9 pi, so area of remaining circle will be 7 pi है ना, so it is equal to 7 into 22/7 है ना, okay. So answer is 22. What you have to find? Find the area of remaining sheet. Yes. Okay. Now I will take attendance. You complete up to this question. ठीक है, जब आपका टर्न आता है आप अपनी अटेंडेंस दे देंगे एंड यू ऑल कंप्लीट अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ठीक है, जब तक मैं अटेंडेंस लेती हूँ डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. ओके
टिल्ट कर दो थोड़ा सा।
ओके मैम।
गुड. यस